Welcome to our tutorial about the flat tree view, which is a change to the design tree in SOLIDWORKS 2013. Now we're able to display the flat tree view via a right-click, Tree Display, Show Flat Tree View. Now this option is available for parts only. As you can see here, this isn't available to all features either. Some of the features still have a nested structure. Here's a list of the features that this doesn't work for: hole wizard holes and simple holes, mounting bosses, lip grooves, snap hook grooves, vents, snap hooks, sheet metal features, library features, weldment structural members, and sketch blocks. So keep that in mind. To go back to the normal Feature Manager design tree view, just right-click, select Tree Display, and unselect Show Flat Tree View. And this concludes our review of the Flat Tree View command new to the Feature Manager design tree in SOLIDWORKS 2013.